Comoros, a paradise of beautiful islands off the coast of East Africa, known for its beaches, vibrant marine life, and rich culture. But beneath this beauty lies a darker story, a history of instability, coups, and hardship that has shaped this island nation in ways many don't realize. Our story begins with Comoros gaining independence from France in 1975, but freedom came at a cost. The political landscape quickly spiraled into turmoil, and in the years following independence, Comoros would earn the nickname the Coup Islands due to a series of military coups that became disturbingly frequent. Between 1975 and 2019, Comoros experienced more than 20 coup attempts. Leaders were regularly overthrown, only to be replaced by others who would meet similar fates. This frequent turnover created an unstable political environment and left the nation struggling for stability. Comoros's road to independence was not easy. The islands were under French rule until 1975, but the process of independence sparked a tense relationship between Comoros and France that continues to this day. While most of the islands gained independence, the island of Mayotte voted to remain with France. This decision created ongoing tension between France and Comoros, as Comorians have consistently called for the return of Mayotte, which remains under French administration to this day. This unresolved issue has led to feelings of betrayal and frustration among many Comorians, who view Mayotte as an integral part of their nation. One of the most infamous figures in Comorian history is the French mercenary Bob Denard. Denard was known for his involvement in several coups across Africa, and he set his sights on Comoros multiple times, seeing it as a strategic playground for his ambitions. Denard first entered Comoros in 1975, soon after independence, staging a coup that installed his chosen leader. Over the years, he would lead several invasions, each time overthrowing governments and deepening instability. Denard's interference caused lasting turmoil, as each coup he led or supported created a cycle of instability that affected every part of Comorian society. It wasn't until 1995 that France finally intervened to stop his influence by arresting him. In 2008, Comoros faced another crisis when the island of Anjouan attempted to secede, challenging the unity of the nation. The leader of Anjouan, Mohamed Bakar, declared independence, refusing to recognize the national government. The Comorian government, backed by the African Union, launched a military operation to reclaim Anjouan. After a brief conflict, Bakar's forces were overwhelmed and Anjouan was brought back into the Union, but the scars of this division were lasting. While the intervention successfully reunited Anjouan with the rest of Comoros, the crisis highlighted the deep divisions and ongoing struggles for unity and stability within the nation. Despite its natural beauty and potential wealth, Comoros remains one of the world's poorest countries. Many people live below the poverty line, struggling to access basic resources like clean water, electricity, and healthcare. While Comoros has vast marine resources and a tourism industry with potential, political instability and lack of infrastructure make it difficult for the country to thrive. Unemployment remains high, and many Comorians have no choice but to migrate abroad in search of better opportunities. This migration places a strain on families and creates a diaspora longing for a stable homeland. Comoros is a nation rich in beauty and culture, but its dark history of coups, foreign interference, and economic hardship has left a lasting mark. Today, there are signs of progress, with efforts to build stability and improve conditions for the people of Comoros. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the history of Comoros. If you found this story intriguing, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more stories of resilience and untold histories.